Hello, this is Kevin from CryptoMY. In today's episode, this will be another vlog channel for today. Right now I'm in Sepang track. So Sepang track is actually a racing track in Malaysia, and you can see here, this is SFHS crossover with Bybit. I'm right now in the VIP lounge, and this event is 2023 Lamborghini Super Trofeo Asia, round 1, Sepang, KL, Malaysia. So this is how the track looks like. So there's a lot of Lamborghini down there. I will do a montage later on all the Lamborghinis. I think all the Lamborghinis are preparing and warming up for the next races. And as you can see here, let me show you a bit here. If you guys haven't registered an account in Bybit, I'll put down the link at the description below. And this is a backdrop. And you can see Sepang will be on the 5th to 7th May. Australia, Japan, Everland, Korea, China, and others more. So you can see right now here is all the JDM cars that are racing. So after the JDM is finished, then will be the Lamborghini race. The Lamborghini is all right there, right down there. Yeah, this is the track. This is the track actually. And yeah, so if you look at here, this is a VIP launch for Bybit, and these are, I think, the data of each of the racer and the drivers. Okay, so yep, let's see more montage later during the races. I'm very excited to go down there in 15 minutes time to take some photos and some videos about Lamborghinis, of course. Alright, see you guys soon. Bye bye. Alright, right now I'm walking over to this Lamborghini track where there's a lot of Lamborghini. I think right now they are already preparing to race, but you see there's a lot of preparations going on right now before the races. So we have the privilege, me and my wife and all the VIP members have the privilege to go and see the Lamborghini, take photos with the Lamborghini before the race starts. Okay, so I'll show my face lah. My face not so nice today, but yeah, let's show you all the Lamborghinis. So remember, if you guys haven't registered a Bybit account yet, I'll put down the link at the description below again, so you guys can register. Yeah, this is all the Lamborghini. You can take more pictures. This is the privilege right now to take pictures. And I think, Bybit 喺嗰度吧? I think Bybit is there. Yeah. So there's a lot of Lamborghinis. All the Lamborghini pretty girls, models all here. And I think Bybit is just here. Beautiful car. Go Bybit. We are all walking over to that starting area. Okay, starting area. So you will see all the Lamborghinis will be there before the race starts. So just now they are warming up. So they're gonna walk one round If you like my video, remember to like, share and subscribe, okay? This is the best vlog ever. We'll see you guys soon. Bye bye. I'm right now at the Sepang circuit before the races. You see 10 more minutes. And there's a lot of Lamborghini right now lined up here to prepare, to warm up, test the tires. That's crazy. It's raining here right now. People are preparing. Oh shit.
오고 있어.
Yep. Ready to race, baby.
2023年第一站马来西亚雪邦 BC Racing， 走！
Alright, so it's all preparations, photos and videos again all over again. This is a very good montage. See, what beautiful. See, man. So Sepang circuit here. There is another few more minutes before the race starts. So we have the privilege as a Bybit VIP to stand a chance to see them prepare, take some videos, talk to them, changing tires, doing a lot of things here and there that they should be doing. I've never seen this one before in my life. It's my first time on the track, live on the track. And just want to say one more time to Bybit, good luck to Bybit. Is this Bybit? Yes, this is Bybit car. Alright, and there it goes. And this is how they race. Let's start the race there.
A few moments later.
Oh, the race is starting. The race is Alright, so I think I'm gonna end this video today, this vlog today, and it's fun. The experience, and thanks Bybit for having the VIP access to me, giving it to me to experience this Lamborghini race that is crazily done right now on this Sepang circuit. Epic. And yeah, if you like my video today, remember to click, like, share and subscribe. Crypto is fun, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye bye.